Hello everybody, this is Renee Rutten, and in today's Canva training we're going to talk about creating contrast with your fonts. So we've started out here with a basic Pinterest format, and I've got a little bit of text in here, and I'm going to add a background. So I am going to just, let's do this the right way. Let's let it grab it. Okay. So there we have our background. I'm going to adjust that background. I've shown you how we can do this before. If the picture is too large for the space, you can kind of move it around. Okay, so there's our first image. Very simple. It's, all one text, all one size, not super eye-catching, but look what we can do here. So let's just copy that. And let's take this how-to. Let's move that kind of out of the way. Let's move this down. And then I'm going to take this online, if I can grab it here, and I'm going to get rid of that. And I'm going to add it to the front of the and here. You'll see why here in just a second. Okay, so let's take that, make money, and let's put them on two different lines. All right, so now I'm going to drop down here and I'm going to make this 120. Okay, so let's move that up out of that starfish a little bit. Let's move this one back down here in alignment. And let's move this one up a little bit, keep it out of the starfish, but get it in alignment there. Okay, so look at the difference. All we have done is just simply make our hook in very large font. It's the exact same wording, it's the exact same font, but we've made the hook really stand out. So again, look at this image compared to the original image. So that is the difference that contrast within your fonts can make. And this is your video for today. Please leave me comments if it's helpful and to your success. And we'll see you in the next video. Thank you and bye-bye.